Hey there, folks. Today, I've got a mind-blowing method that's going to put a cool $1,000 in your pocket without you even lifting a finger. Yeah, you heard me right. It's all thanks to the magic of affiliate marketing, coupled with one of the hottest programs on the block, the Online Business Academy. Now, I need your full, undivided attention for the next few minutes because I'm about to lay out the step-by-step blueprint to make some serious bank. Trust me, you do not want to miss a single nugget of these vital money-making details. So, without further ado, let's dive headfirst into the action. Ever heard of this game changer called affiliate marketing? It's like the ultimate online cash magnet, and let me tell you, it's super cool. Here's the deal. Picture yourself recommending something awesome to a friend, and they go ahead and buy it. Easy, right? Well, that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You suggest cool stuff to a bigger crowd, and when they buy through your special link, Shay-Chang, you earn a commission. But hey, we're just getting started on this money-making roller coaster. Step 1. The grand kickoff. Diving headfirst into the OBA affiliate program. Have you heard of the Online Business Academy? It's an absolute powerhouse, offering courses on online business galore, including the magic of affiliate marketing. For this adventure, my friend, you're stepping into the shoes of an OBA affiliate. Let me tell you, this affiliate program is the gold mine of opportunities. You won't break a sweat because once you're in, you'll unlock a treasure trove of marketing materials to shout out about the Online Business Academy. It's like a marketing starter pack. But hold on to your hats because here's the real kicker, the commissions. Picture this. You can rake in commissions up to a whopping 50% on every sale. Your ticket to success? Sign up, grab those tools they hand you, and shout it from the rooftops. To start this adventure, head straight to their website. Hit that affiliate tab like a boss at the top of the page. Then, slam that sign up now button like you mean it. Fill in the basics, your name, email, and payment details so they can rain those commissions down on you. And guess what? This ride won't cost you a dime. Once you're in the game, log into your account and track down that affiliate dashboard button. It's like finding hidden treasure. There, waiting for you, is your unique affiliate link. Grab it and start sharing with your squad. Every sale through that link means more green in your pocket. Step 2. The YouTube treasure hunt. All right, fam, let's dive into the next big move, finding those golden YouTube videos about online business. This step is like building the foundation of your entire money-making empire. Here's the drill. Start with a simple YouTube search and use keywords like online business tips or affiliate marketing strategies. Boom! You'll uncover a treasure trove of high-quality videos just waiting for you. Now, here's where the fun begins. Watch these videos. Take notes like you're preparing for the biggest test of your life. You want to soak up all that juicy information so you can serve it up to your audience like a pro. Speaking of pros, check out Dave Nick's YouTube channel. This guy's a legend. He's a successful entrepreneur who dishes out knowledge and experience in a way that's so easy to digest. You'll feel like a business guru in no time. His videos are like your secret weapon to understanding different online business strategies and sparking your own brilliant ideas. But hey, don't stop there. YouTube's a goldmine, and there are plenty more gems to discover. The secret sauce? Find videos that resonate with you and your audience, offering real value and actionable advice. Take your time, explore, and curate a treasure trove of knowledge. With a bit of research and some good old-fashioned elbow grease, you're on the path to creating a killer affiliate marketing campaign that's going to rake in some serious cash. Step 3. The grand reveal. Time to roll out the red carpet with your very own landing page using GetResponse. Picture this as your business's welcoming party. You want it to be epic. Creating a landing page might sound like climbing a mountain, but with the magic of GetResponse, it's a breeze. Plus, a landing page is your golden ticket to turning curious onlookers into raving fans. Imagine your landing page as the flashy entrance to your business empire. It's the first thing your audience will lay eyes on when they click your affiliate link. So, let's make it pop. Keep the design simple, but pack a punch with the awesome video content you found earlier. And guess what? GetResponse is like your artistic sidekick, handing you pre-designed templates to kickstart your landing page journey. It's like painting on a canvas, but without the artistic stress. Splash on your brand's colors, sprinkle in your unique text, and boom, it's yours to rock and roll. Step 4. The creative explosion. Time to craft an epic promo design that's going to make heads turn and jaws drop. We're talking about grabbing people's attention and pulling them into the world of your affiliate link, and we're doing it in style. And here's my favorite tool for this masterpiece, Canva. It's like the ultimate playground for design enthusiasts and newbies alike. Plus, it's free. Now, let's lay the foundation for your design. Grab some screenshots from the Online Business Academy Facebook page visual material that'll make your promo pop and connect back to the awesome product you're showcasing. Next stop, Canva Central. Dive into the treasure trove of templates or go rogue and create your design from scratch. Just make sure to slap on a crystal clear call to action that practically screams, "Click on my affiliate link." Think phrases like "Unlock the complete tutorial on how to X or kickstart your journey today with OBA." Picture this, your promo design is a magnet, pulling in potential customers and getting them hyped about what you're offering. And when they take that leap and click on your link, you hit the jackpot. It's a win-win, and the adventure has only just begun. And now, the grand finale, step 5. Sharing is caring. First up, YouTube is your playground. Upload that video directly and sprinkle it with relevant tags and descriptions. That way, when folks search for related stuff, boom, your video pops up front and center. But we're not stopping there. Let's conquer social media, the kingdom of eyeballs. Platforms like Pinterest and Facebook are your best pals. On Pinterest, create a pin using your eye-catching promo design and slide in that landing page link as the magical destination URL. On Facebook, craft a post with your promo design and landing page link, urging your awesome followers to dive into the tutorial. Now, here's where the magic happens. By spreading your promo across all these platforms, you're turning on the spotlight. More eyes on your promo means more potential clickers on your affiliate link. Remember, results take time and effort, so don't let impatience reign on your parade. Keep pushing that video and landing page, and before you know it, you'll be surfing the wave of success. Stay awesome. If this video got your brain gears turning and your excitement soaring like a rocket, give it that thumbs up applause. Smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Join the notification squad so you never miss a beat, a trick, or a tip from yours truly. And let's keep this conversation going. Drop a comment down below. Share your thoughts, your aha moments, or throw in some burning questions. Until next time, stay awesome, stay excited, and I'll catch you in the next chapter of this incredible journey.